Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce, Ulhasnagar 4, Edupedia, our digital platform for learning and teaching. Myself, Assistant Professor Komal Kamra. Today, I am going to discuss a very small but very important topic coming under the subject Principles of Management for first year BMS students, Module 2, and the topic is Departmentation, falling under Module 3. Here we go. Let us try and understand the meaning of the term departmentation. The name itself suggests when a company, an organization is dividing into its functions into different departments, smaller, easily manageable sections, units is called as departmentation. Let's try to understand the formal meaning. Departmentation is an organization structure. Of course, it is an structure that separates people into groups or departments based on a particular set of criteria. These departments have their own leadership and work together to complete the tasks. With large or complicated projects, multiple departments may work together. It has been observed that for these multiple complicated projects to be done at the same time, matrix organization structure is treated to be the best one. Let us try to understand the importance of departmentation. Why departmentation is important? It gives lots of benefits like systematic division of work along with the department, along with the section, along with the unit. The work is being divided, ensure specialization. If say a process is being given to a particular department, they become specialists in that for working on that particular area for years continuously. It helps for better control, easily manageable, smaller units. Improves organizational efficiency. Organizations can improve their efficiency because of work being divided and specialization as a result. Facilitates management development. Overall, management gets developed at every level of departmentation or under every department. Scope of business expansion. When we divide our organization into smaller departments or units, the business expansion is possible because things are being managed carefully and easily. Now let's try to understand what are different types of departmentation. There are various types, but few are very popularly being known as well as used. One is departmentation by functions, departmentation by product, departmentation by geography, that is geographical location, departmentation by time, departmentation by process, departmentation by customer. Let us try and understand each and every type in detail. First is functional. This is a very old, traditional, classical, but yet modern or utilized till date on the basis of functions performed by the management. Basically, when we are talking on the lines of functions of management, they are planning, organizing, and many more things. Those are the functions. But what exactly functions or processes are being done in a company or various different operations are being performed? This is departmentation on the basis of functions, like production department. This department is given the complete charge of responsibilities and accountability of producing things, definitely in coordination with other departments. Finance department is purely taking the care or operations coming under the finance and as well as accountancy, that is preparing budget, issuing funds, allocation of resources, many more things. Marketing department purely working on the marketing function. HR department taking care of HR required, HR availability and HR to be made available. Next is Chief Executive Officer. Next is departmentation by process. We have observed under production or in any service industry as well, there may be follow-up of various processes, that is one activity after the another activity. So companies are dividing the particular production department into processes. Like in a textile industry, spinning is done, then weaving process goes on, then after weaving the woven cloth is being put to the dyeing department and ultimately packaging is done. This is called as the process department or departmentation by process. Third type is based on customers. Certain companies, they divide their work on the basis of customers. You can say customer centric or customer oriented type of departmentation. In this, they may have variety of customers like ladies customers, ladies banking, corporate banking, school banking, real estate and mortgage loans, agricultural banking. A single bank can divide its different functions on the basis of different types of customers they are dealing with. In this case, we can quote the example of local customer, regional customer, national customer or domestic customer as well as international customers. Again, customer departmentation can be done on the basis of the quantum of purchases made by them. We can say retail purchases or retail customers or wholesale customers. Next type of departmentation which is very commonly used, we can quote the example of Life Insurance Corporation of India or many more service industries, those which who have divided their organization and operations on the basis of area. Geographic means area wise. In this, we have taken the example of Coca-Cola Enterprises. They have Central North American Group, Western North American Group, Eastern North American Group and European Group. If in the simple words, if we want to understand the topic geographic departmentation, we can simply divide it into the central zone, the northern zone, the southern zone, the eastern zone and different states coming under every zone. Next, departmentation is observed when companies are diversified with multiple products being produced by them and marketed by them. We can quote the example of automobile industry, those who divide their companies on the basis of products they produce, like two-wheeler department, three-wheeler department, four-wheeler department, heavy motors and many more things, whatever they produce. Various diversified companies like Godrej, Tata, they have moved from locks to security systems or we can say furnitures. They always divide their companies on the basis of products because they produce multiple products and accordingly they generate such departments which are easy to manage. After that, it comes time departmentation. Certain companies, they divide their companies on the basis of shifts because when production is non-stop and continuous or presently, say Hexacare, if I take the example of Hexacare and MNC, they are taking care of customers on the basis of various shifts and they are rotating their employees from one shift to another from time to time. They are preparing their rosters in such a way so that every shift is being covered by them and they are getting all the different knowledges by rotation on their job, like morning shifts, evening shift, night shifts. These days we have observed certain colleges operating at morning time, mainly degree colleges, evening shift or afternoon shift for junior college students and night shift for night colleges run by the same college for those who are working and those who are not able to attain their lectures or they cannot continue their studies during morning or daytime. So night shifts are being considered as night shift department. One thing more I would like to add, in this geographic departmentation, most of the companies, they divide their operations on the basis of geographic areas like Asian market, American markets, European markets, because these markets are very giant and very difficult to cover or capture or offer services at the same time. That's why they divide it. Even if they take one single area, one single continent like Asian markets, they divide Asian markets into North of Asia, South of Asia, West of Asia, Center of Asia, and it becomes easier for them to capture various markets and perform all their functions whatever they have planned for. So this is departmentation, very much important, and presently the topic is under BMS and it is a very common topic which everyone should understand. Likewise, we can take the example of departmentation on the basis of specialization or departmentation on the basis of subjects. It is being done in colleges, say BMS department, BBI department, specializing in banking and insurance, accountancy and finance department, IT and CS department, commerce department and many more departments. So departmentation has made or created an easy path of capturing all the functions or fulfilling all the duties in time and systematically and achieve the targets very easily, which generates expansion, development and ultimately diversification. So here I wind up my presentation. Thank you very much